Good day everyone, how you all doing? Hope you're fine. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, thanks for joining us here, and you won't regret joining us here. Please do well by subscribing to our YouTube channel and also turn on your notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to shrink fibroid naturally. I'll be teaching you guys how to shrink fibroid naturally with these two ingredients I'm holding on my hands. This is our green tea and this is our turmeric powder. These two ingredients, I will show you how to make use of them to balance your hormones and also shrink your fibroid permanently. I'm talking about those fibroids that are not big yet. For those tiny fibroids that are still growing, you don't need to go for surgery. I'll show you how to prepare a recipe that will help you balance your hormones and also shrink your fibroid permanently. Please keep watching if you want to see how I'll prepare all this. I'll prepare this remedy. Just keep watching. This is our green tea. I've already added 2 teaspoons of our green tea inside warm water. You add 2 spoons of your green tea inside warm water. This green tea, I added 2 spoons of our green tea inside this warm water. You will leave it for some minutes to infuse. You will leave it for some minutes to infuse. You leave it for some minutes to infuse. Okay, this green tea here contains chemical called flavonoids. This green tea here you're seeing, it contains chemical called flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Yes, it helps to reduce cells damage in the body. This green tea helps to reduce cells damage in the body. And also it can also help you to shrink your fibroid naturally. To help you shrink your fibroid naturally. And also it cleans the womb. It cleans the womb very well. And also it can also get rid of any infection you're having in your uterus. Yes, it will help you very well cleanse your womb. This remedy I'm trying to show you guys here will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. It will help you get rid of those tiny fibroids in your womb, outside your womb. It will help you get rid of them and also balance your hormones. Yes. After adding this green tea for some minutes, then you sieve it out. You sieve it out. Yes, you sieve it out. You sieve it out. You sieve it out. And don't forget, it's just 1 glass cup of water I added inside here. Just 1 glass cup of water. Yes. After sieving it out, you pour it back inside your cup. You pour it back inside your cup. You can see the color. Very yummy. Very yummy. And this is our turmeric. You all know this. This one is a turmeric powder. You know the fresh turmeric, right? But this one is our turmeric powder. You can, this turmeric is very, very powerful. This turmeric you're seeing here is very, very, very powerful. It contains antioxidants, very cleansing, like it's a natural effective spice. This turmeric you're seeing is a natural effective spice. It cleans the system as well. This turmeric you're seeing. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of this turmeric powder. Keep watching. We'll add 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of this turmeric powder. You stir very well. You stir very well. You stir it very well and still leave it for some minutes. You leave it for some minutes. Yes, this turmeric is very effective, as I said before. This turmeric is very effective. It has inflammatory agents, yes, and antioxidant properties. This turmeric you're seeing here, yes, it's very, very wonderful. It cleans the womb as well. It cleans the womb and also helps to destroy fibroid. It also helps to destroy fibroid and stop them from growing. This turmeric helps to destroy fibroid and stop them from growing. And many people don't know the benefits of this turmeric and this green tea. Many people doesn't know it. It's very, very powerful, and it's very. You can also use this turmeric to unblock your fallopian tube. This turmeric, on my next video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use this turmeric to unblock fallopian tube. So that is it. You allow it to infuse, leave it for some minutes, then your remedy to shrink those little tiny fibroid and also balance your hormones is ready. Here is your remedy. Here is your remedy. It's ready to consume. So in the morning, if you wake up in the morning, you prepare this remedy for yourself. If you wake in the morning, you prepare this remedy for yourself and take in the morning, as early as you take before eating any food. In the morning, you take this particular recipe for 1 good month before you start trying for a baby. If you're suffering from fibroid and your fibroid is little, not for those that has big fibroid, oh, I'm not giving you that 100% assurance that it will shrink the big fibroid. For those that has tiny fibroid for like 5 cm down, this remedy will help you shrink that fibroid, and you will take it for straight 1 month before you start trying for a baby. To shrink those fibroid before you start trying for a baby. This remedy will help you balance your hormones, shrink your fibroid permanently, as in naturally and permanently. Yes, this remedy will help you a lot. Yes, we have come to an end of this video. Thanks for watching and may God bless you. I love you all.